So, other than the kind of society expectations and the giant list by Vollmer and all of the things that we're expected to do as educators, there's the expected responsibilities to make all that happen that's on the principal or the administrator. And so Kowalski talks about there being two primary roles, leading and managing. And within that, they talk about 8 responsibilities. So visioning, planning, organizing, advocating, facilitating, communicating, mediating, and evaluating. And I really found this section of the material to be kind of very enlightening about how to go about each of these things, even though there's not a whole lot here. Thinking about the ways in which visioning is leading and the ways in which visioning is managing, and doing that for each of the 8 responsibilities Kowalski talks about was kind of interesting. Thinking and noticing where administrators in my life have made those choices. And so Kowalski talks specifically in the section about organizing that principals organize by bringing together and arranging people, materials, and other resources to ensure attainment of the school's goals. And I thought that was very interesting. That's both leading and managing, doing all of that, leading towards the goals, managing resources. And so it lists that also for advocating, right? Principals have a responsibility to be vocal advocates for students and school improvement, leading and managing. And so I think if we continue to think about those 2 primary roles and think about those the list of responsibilities of education, like which role does this fall under, it makes the next steps more clear.